Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today, we will learn reset your Instagram account password with email. So this is a simple process to do. This is a legal process in the platform of Instagram, 100% in the application of Instagram. So the first step is to the application of Instagram, and when you are here in the log into the Instagram application, you can pick here in forget your password. To recover your password with the email, you put your email. For example, this you pick in continue, and after that you need to put the code the Instagram sent to you to this email you get, and after that you pick in continue and you select the profile you want to change that password. You change the password, and that's it. You reset your password in Instagram. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.